everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I was sent a case from AKLLA. By the way, thank you AKLLA for providing this unit for me to review. AKLLA is a company from China that focuses on making small cases for mini PCs. Until now they have produced 5 case variants, you can check for more information on Taobao. AKLLA A4 Pro has just been launched in 2021, this case is an improved version of the AKLLA A4 V2. Some very striking differences are how to open the side panel, which is smoother and the material used is thicker. AKLLA A4 series is an alternative sandwich style case from the Luke Ghost S1 case, which has more features than the Ghost S1. AKLLA A4 Pro has 2 color variants, Deep Space Gray and Oxidized White. There are several options. 1. Standard version is PSU SFX and air cooling system. 2. The water cooling version is an additional water cooling cap. 3. The ATX PSU version. 4. All-in-one package with water cooling system. I suggest that you choose a package that includes a graphics card extension cable, because if you buy it separately in the wrong size can affect the top air cooling system. This case has 2 configurations. You can choose a wide GPU with a lower CPU cooler, or a thin GPU with a higher CPU cooler. Here are some recommendations for low-profile CPU cooler below 65mm if you use a 3-slot GPU. GPU can load up to 60mm even though on the website it only fits 59mm. Taobao now supports shipping in 10 areas outside mainland China. You can use an agent, but direct shopping will save you money. You'll avoid agents' fees of up to 10% and the expensive international shipping fee they charge. For more information, please visit the website link in the description below.